welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Veronica, and today we are coming at you with a Loraette and Avenue haul. So I'm going to show you some pieces and how they fit me and how they kind of failed to fit me. I just wanted to be honest and clear as possible because I know how hard it is to shop online, so I wanted to make this an easier process for you when guiding to find the right pieces for your wardrobe. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Make sure your notifications are on so you can stay up to date with me. And let's begin this video. So, this is the first outfit. And as you can tell, these jeans do not fit. These are the Loraette jeans. And they are so freaking small. I got a size 20. Like, what kind of shit is this? Like, not cool. Doesn't even go over my rump. This is for literally the smallest size 20 girl you can ever think of. I know I'm full of thighs and stuff like that, but damn, this sucks. For what? For $60, these jeans are literally a no-go. No. They have no shape. They're supposed to be a high-waisted jean. So they're supposed to be like super cute, right? And the crotch is long, so it's supposed to be a high-waisted jean technically. The wash is amazing. It's a beautiful wash. They have a little distressed here, so it's not like super distressed and holes and stuff like that. The jeans are nice, but they're like not shapely at all. They're very A-lined, straight for whoever is going to wear these. But literally I would have to go up at least like 6 more sizes. Like, I would feel that way because they're not going over my thighs. They're not fitting anything at all. They have a nice stretch to them though. So I would say if you're about a size 14, 16, these jeans, you're going to fit a 20. But they have no stretch in them whatsoever. $60 out the window. So this is the next outfit. I have on black shorts that actually don't even freaking fit. The button is a little bit loose, but the pockets are nice. Otherwise, they're small, they're not super big, so it's like, you know, plus size jeans. Pockets are huge, and these ones aren't, which is good because you won't have that peeking out. Unfortunately, these don't even close at all for a size 20. I really thought I was going a bit over the sizing just to be like 100%, but honestly, I'm really disappointed that the pants don't fit. And just Avenue sizing point blank is just really small. And then for the top, like this is a 2X and it's huge, you know? It also has like this little flowy that goes down. And these tops are hard to find in correct sizes, so I'm very surprised that this top actually fits compared to the pants, the shorts. But this has a nice back line, like a little keyhole back line. And overall, I kind of felt like this whole Loraette line or Avenue line, it's just, they play it very safe with the colors. They don't really have a lot of options on the site. So I'm not really surprised that these shorts don't fit me and that the top does. Like, it's, I would have thought the opposite, but like not at all. Doesn't fit, it's not cute. I like the top otherwise though, but it's not really doing me any favor at all. So unfortunately, it's gotta go. The next thing I got here is this super mini dress, which I thought was longer, but because I don't know if it's because of my curves or my butt, it's just not working out. As you can see here, I don't even have this one on because it was so tight trying to get over my boobs. So this also doesn't even fit. I mean, it accentuates the waistline nicely and the hips, but honestly, like, what is going on here? Like, looking a hot ass mess. So yeah, it's a cute color. It's very gorgeous. Maybe for the slimmer size 20 2X girl. But honestly, guys, this is pathetic. I mean, I like this though, but is it worth getting a 3X? I don't know. Like, it's so short. It's so short. Like, so like it's, I don't know. But otherwise, it's cute anyway. It's very pretty, flattering. But if I bend over, your girl's gonna give a whole show. So, unfortunately, this isn't it. Oh, damn. This sucks. I'm already just kind of like not feeling the vibe of this because everything just fits very weirdly. But overall, I would say this activewear outfit is the best because of the comfort, because I don't have to suck it in or try to pull it up or anything like that, and it's not super tight. So they get a win for this one, which is super awesome. But overall, I would say the shopping experience was a fail. I wanted to order these just so you guys can actually see how they look on me, and so that's what I did. But this experience has been blah. And I just feel like, I know a number is just a number in fashion world, but honestly guys, I wouldn't want to try on a 24, 26 in these clothing items because it's a 24, 26. I've been working so hard to not be that, and you know, trying to lose the weight and stuff. So to even go up to those numbers would just be a waste for me. Yeah, I wouldn't want to go any bigger because it's like, no, I waste your money at that point. So, oh, it's cute though. This is cute. I feel very comfortable in this. I have nothing negative to say about this outfit. But yeah, damn. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support I've gotten thus far. It's really exciting to make these kind of videos and see what you guys feel and think about them. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on, all that good stuff, and I am going to return these bad boys and see you guys in the next video. Bye.